How to add your credit or debit card to your Poshmark account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can basically add a credit or debit card or even PayPal account in this case to your Poshmark. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Maybe you're looking to shop for a specific product, but because you've not added your payment method, you're not being able to pay for the product. And in order to add a payment method, it's very simple to do. Go to Poshmark.com, log into your account, click the profile icon from the top right, and then just go to account settings. When you go to account settings, on the left hand side you'll find this option labeled as my payment methods. So make sure to click on my payment methods. As you do that, if you've added any sort of payment details over here, you can go ahead and do that. But if you've not added, you can click the credit or debit card option. As you click on credit or debit card, here you'll be able to find your card number. Make sure to enter the card number, the expiration, the CVV, sometimes also referred to as a security code or also known as a CVC number. After you've done that, make sure to properly select your country, make sure it is the legal details as well, and make sure to fill in all these forms based on the state and the zip code. Click the done button and your card details along with your billing address will get successfully created. Just for a bonus tip, if you'd like to also add your PayPal account, you can just make sure to select the PayPal account here and just go to checkout with PayPal and then link your PayPal account in this case. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this is how you add your payment methods or credit or debit card to your Poshmark account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.